I just came here and gave a prompt and all the heavy lifting it did itself. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to share one resource that every UI UX designer must have. This is an AI tool by which you can create a stunning user interfaces. If you are a designer, you might be creating UI UX through Figma and all, but that takes tons of time to create any design or prototype. But today I'm going to share one AI tool that will create your prototype or UI design within seconds with just prompt. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how you can use it. So let's start. So just go on Google and type here Stitch. I'll mention link in the description. From there you can visit. And just come on this first website. This website is from Google. And on this platform, you can create your UI design, your prototype for both websites and mobile apps. So you can see here two options are available, like for web and for mobile app. And here you can describe your design, your prompt. Basically here we have to give a well structured prompt as of our design of our mobile app or website. So here we have to put our prompt, and from here we can attach some resources, some file, whatever we need to include in our mobile app or website. Like we can give it our color theme, logo and all. So firstly what I'll do, I'll give one prompt here. So for prompt, a well structured prompt, I'll go to ChatGPT and from there I will create one prompt. So here what I'll do, I'll define whatever I'm thinking about my mobile app. Suppose I have to build a mobile app which will be an e-commerce where we will deliver snacks. So for that I want to create a prototype, a UI, so that UI design I will give to developers and they will build that design in their code. So here I will tell I want to build a mobile app which will be an e-commerce store. So I have defined this much only, and what I will do here, I'll tell ChatGPT to exaggerate even more. So like I will tell it so I told this much, and let's see what the prompt it is giving. So it is generating, just wait. So yeah, it generated a well structured proper prompt with multiple screens and their details. So what I'll do, I'll just copy it. Like from here I will copy all this stuff till last and I'll paste there. So I will just paste it here. And as of now this prompt is looking good, so I won't disturb it. And just press this button, and before that make sure you should check whether you want to build for website or for mobile app. So I have selected mobile app because I'm building a mobile app, so you make sure this. So I'll just give it, okay, and let's see the magic. So it will take a little bit time, and let's see how it is generating. So it firstly decided what to do first. Here you can see, and also it is asking me, so I'll say yes, create these 6 screen first. Like first screen will be of a splash screen, onboarding screen, then authentication, then there will be home screen, then product details screen and card screen, and all the screen are with their details, like what will be on onboarding screens, authentication screens, everything is mentioned there. So let it create. Something happened wrong here, so I'll say continue it. Finally it created the required screens, whatever I told it. Like first one is the splash screen, then these screens are onboarding screens, then authentication page. So these are few screens it created. Now I'll tell it to create further screens like home screen, card screen and product detail screen. All the stuff I want to create again. So like already it is saying design the home screen and product detail screens next. So it will again start doing. So let it do it. Just see guys how much it is going to save our time. If we want to design this stuff, these screens in Figma from scratch, it will take up to 2 to 3 hours. Literally up to 2 to 3 hours these screens are going to take if I'll design from scratch. But I did here with just few prompts, and just see how much time it is saving, right? So obviously we should use these AI platforms, AI tools to save our time and to be more productive. And these platforms are going to help solo developers a lot, like who does itself prototyping, who does itself coding and all, who does everything testing and all. To those developers, these type of platforms are going to save a lot of time. So see, now it created this beautiful home screen, and literally it's quite beautiful. Another one is details page. Now I'll tell it to create cart screen and checkout screen, which is already it is telling. So I'll click on it and it will start again. So finally it also created this cart page. Let me show you this cart page and checkout page, which is looking quite beautiful. So as of now it created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screens, which is enough as of now. And even if I want more screens like a tracking screen and all, we can even tell it to do it, like order tracking screen, which is already it is suggesting me, but I won't create again. I'm just trying to show you how these AI tools going to save you a lot of time and going to make you more productive. So see, I had one idea, I came here and pasted a prompt here and it gave me this much beautiful UIs. Literally, I haven't touched a single screen yet and you can see the output. I just came here and gave a prompt and all the heavy lifting it did itself. And from here now I can share it with my team who are working with me. So yeah guys, this is the platform, a Stitch, which is very powerful to build the UI of your mobile app, or you can say your website. This is from Google and this is the future. Till now we guys used to design these stuff on Figma, which is also a very powerful tool to design UI and prototyping. But to save our time and to be even more productive, this type of platform is going to play a very important role in our development journey. And Figma is also cooking something in AI, but I haven't tried that. I've tried this platform. I thought I should share with you. And this is very powerful platform. This is from Google. So go and try it and build beautiful UIs with the help of this Stitch platform. And what about this platform? If you want to say anything, feel free to comment below. And if this video you found helpful, make sure to press that like button. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.